Wagwan. Persons have been telling me in the comment section that they want a Jamaican wife or a Jamaican husband. I promised you guys that I was going to make a video about Jamaican men and Jamaican women. So this is it. Yeah. You know what to expect. I'm going to do a part 1 and a part 2. But I'm going to do the woman first. Ladies before gentlemen, of course. So, number 1. Jamaican women are hardworking and independent. We have one job and 5 different side hustles. We are go-getters. Always have our own money and things. We learn growing up. Don't depend on no man. You have to have your own money, you have to have your own things. Number 2, we do not tolerate disrespect. So nobody come with no foolishness and no disrespect. She will tell you good and proper. Put you in your place. She will cut you off. So come good, come correct. Number 3, don't expect her to bite her tongue. She's gonna tell you the truth in the face. 4, she is full of culture and pride. She's so proud of her culture and her heritage, and learn to understand her culture and respect her culture, because that is very important to her. We love our culture. We celebrate with culture. We celebrate with music, with patois, everything about Jamaica. With sports team, with food, with this, everything about Jamaica and Jamaican culture are big things for we. Sometimes you might think so we too much or we are do too much when it comes to it, our culture. Yeah, but I just always stay. We just love the culture and learn some Jamaican patois too. Yeah, learn some Jamaican patois so that when we talk to Uno in a patois, Uno can understand you. Uno can, say, one and two, a few patois words at least. Some of my food, you can name some of the food. You can talk about some of, our favorite dish and thing. Know some of the names them. And know some of our Jamaican artists. Reggae and dancehall artists. Know some of our athletes. We big athletes them in sports and thing. Yeah, okay. Yeah. And you have to visit Jamaica too. We want to know if you put on the foot on the side of Jamaica. We want to know if you experience the culture first, and we want to carry on around and show on the place and make you enjoy with nice culture where we love so much, right? Yeah. Number 5, Jamaican women expect her man to be a provider, right? That's how it is in our culture. Jamaican men are the provider. You provide for your family. We not support lazy man. We not mind no man. We not take care of no man. We not make no man drive with care. We not make no man move in our house. We not do them things there, right? Yeah, we do not support lazy man. We not like lazy man, and we not like mean man. If you're mean or you're lazy, you're not gonna keep a Jamaican woman. Yeah. We don't do 50-50. Not pay half of no bills. We not do 50-50. We not pay half of no bills. No, we were spoiled like that in our culture. We not do that. It's either we are the 100% all by ourselves, or if we're with a man, him I go deal with the bills then. Yeah, 1 and 2 things we take care of, yes, but you're responsible. A man is the provider and protector, etc. etc. Okay. Wagwan. This is part 2 on dating a Jamaican woman. Number 6, we're not easily impressed. So nobody come with your add clothes, dress up hot. Now come with your six pack. Those things. No, are you sweetheart? No, we're not impressed by that. But we want to know say you have a job, you're hard working, you have a business and things like that. You're a good provider, right? Are them something they will impress by that we want to know. Number 7, we can cook. Yeah. Yes, when you get a Jamaican woman, and you see she a cook for you and a feed you, give you nice home cooked meals and things. That's our love language. We show us you. We rate you. We love you. And you're the man. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Right, you move right and you do the right things. You can enjoy your good home cooked meals, clean house. Yeah. We can cook, we can wash, we can clean, we can do all of them good things there. Yeah. So for you treat we right, you're gonna enjoy all those wonderful stuff. Jamaican women love to look good. They love to fix up themselves and take care of themselves. They just put effort in their appearance. Jamaican women are loyal, but not play with them. Don't play with us. Yeah. We're loyal, but not take over the fool. As we will cut you off before I know say you take over fool. Okay? And you can accomplish a lot of things with a Jamaican woman. Number 9, she is naturally nurturing. Behind the strong exterior, there's this loyal, loving, and caring woman. That's a Jamaican woman. When she feels secure, respected, and in a loving relationship. Number 10, Jamaican woman brings energy to your life, flavor, personality. And remember, you're not just dating a Jamaican woman, you're dating her culture, confidence, and strength.